been a while. I have not really gotten out with the Airgun much in the last few months. Had quite a few things, just life got busy. Had a baby, remodeled a house, did a lot of things, but I'm finally getting some time again where I can take some videos and get out and do some shooting. So I have my impact out again today, and we're coming back out to the farm, and we're gonna see if we can shoot some doves. And I think the sparrows are really back in force this year, so we're gonna do what we can to do some pest control, and maybe if we shoot enough doves, get something to cook, and maybe then I'll do another cooking episode. I've actually been specifically asked to do some more of those, so maybe we'll try and focus in on the collared doves. It's the dove hunt, the morning dove hunt, but it is still illegal to use an air gun to shoot those. You got to shoot them with a shotgun, so got to stick with the collared doves. But I'm just pulling in, got to get the camera set up on the gun, but we will see what we can find. All right, we got our first culprit. I'm gonna turn the truck off so you guys can hear better. See what we can. All right, we're recording. Dove is still there. We'll see what we can do to focus in. Oh, I'm shaky. Kind of an awkward angle, but we're going to see what we can do. I probably need a dial. We're going to guess 0.7 mils. Oh yeah. One down. Oh, we got another one. But I'm going to need... Ooh. Whoops. I do not have my sock on to protect my window. I need to get another one of those. This one is at 71. So I'm gonna guess 2.3, because I don't want to have to get into my street lock. I'll do 2.5. Oh, that might be a mourning dove. It is. Can't shoot it. Dang it. Gotta obey the law. I forgot to mention today that I am just tuned to 18 grain JSB pellets. I believe they're doing 864, which they could go a little faster, but this tune is just so sweet, I just don't want to mess with it. I have had such good accuracy with the gun as it is right now. I know there's definitely still some efficiency I could tune into it, because I mean, the settings could be played with to make it shoot a little more efficiently on air, but man, it is just consistent, accurate. So I am just gonna leave it where it's at for now. I can spare the little bit of air that it's probably wasting, but It's just consistent. All right. We are back. My phone keeps dying because I think it's overheating. But it is pretty hot for September. We got some starlings at 68 yards. We are gonna see what we can do. Hopefully, oh, I keep forgetting. Don't want to double load. All right, we're at 68. We're dialed 0.9. Oh, barely missed over its right shoulder. There's still 2 left though. Or 4 actually. Hold a little left now. Got one. Ooh, got 2. That was good footage. Hopefully it's clear. That's one thing that I didn't expect from taking off some time from the filming, is forgetting how to focus my little scope cam properly to get clear footage, because that is kind of takes, it's a little bit of an art, kind of takes some skill. But that was 2 good shots. I really hope those come out clear. We're gonna move along a little bit and see what else we can find. And here is the native mourning dove. And it knows that I can't shoot it with a pellet gun. Well, I came home from the farm and my house was being just infested by sparrows. I have a trap set and I've caught, I don't know, probably like 20 of them in there. I'll flip this camera around and show you in just a second, but there was also a good number of doves, and so I've set myself up kind of on a lawn chair with another lawn chair in my carport. We'll see what we can do, but yeah, it's kind of ridiculous, but it's been a really bad year for sparrows. I really wasn't kidding about having 20 sparrows in my trap, but we're gonna, like that guy right there, we're gonna shoot a few of them. They keep trying to get into the food right there. They're just destroying that chicken food, so we're gonna shoot a few sparrows and hopefully a few doves. Okay, they're back. Got that one.